In this guide, you will learn how to fix age verification problem on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Click on the profile icon given at the top left. Select the option Profile. Now click on your profile picture and then click on the option Edit. Once you're in this page, navigate to this option Birth Date. Click on Continue. Make sure it's correct and clearly shows that you are 18 years old or above, since incorrect or missing age information is the most common cause of this issue. If needed, tap the birth date, edit it, and save the changes. After you do this, close the app completely and reopen it. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your account. Then head over to the settings. Now click on the option Privacy and Safety. Click on Content You See. First, enter search settings and turn off hide sensitive content. Then go back and tap sensitive media and change all options from born to show all. After applying these changes, restart the app and the age verification pop-up should be gone, allowing you to use X normally without interruptions. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.